Hi friends, welcome to Sid with Stuffs. So today I have with me a helmet named IGNYTE. This is a helmet brand and its parent company is actually Steelbird. This is a review unit that I've received from IGNYTE and I'll be unboxing and I'll be making a review how this performs. What I had gone through this helmet before. So this helmet comes for around 3,700 to 3,800. I don't know what will be the price when this video will be released. So this helmet is having almost all the features that a premium category helmet does have. So what I know is that it has double D-ring, it has pin lock visor, it has dual visor along with great graphics and also a spoiler. So let us see. The packing is good. So almost IGNYTE on all sides it is written. So let me unpack it. Let us see what is inside the box. So the unboxing is almost done. Let me check. So I think this one is the bottom part of the helmet. So here it is. The helmet itself. Wow, superb. So the packing itself is very good and let me show you. The cost around comes, I'm not sure if it's focusing or not. The cost is around 4,749. I exactly don't know what will be the price or what is the price. Only what I know is that it's a very premium kind of helmet and it's from Steelbird, like accessories from Vega and there is another SMK is from Studs. So this helmet does have DOT certification, EC22, it doesn't have ECE certification, but it has DOT certification. So basically this helmet will help you for kind of long rides, not up to 180, that kind of. But since I have not tested it properly, I cannot give a complete full view review of this. Since I didn't find any kind of review of this kind of helmet, so I'm making one. This will be a rare review of this kind of helmet. As you can see, IGNYTE is written. So this is how you unbox it. So let me check. Oh, it comes with a box packing. It has ISI, and I forgot another thing. It has ISI mark in it, because in today's date, ISI mark, without ISI mark you can't take anything. So it's of course a bit of hassle, but it comes. Wow, they have given this no brand. Even I do have an empty helmet, they have not given this. And guys, if you are buying this kind of helmets, do keep this, because when you'd be cleaning the helmet, to make it upside down, you need this. You exactly need this. If this is the helmet, you have to do like this, you have to open it. So we'll see exactly what is inside. And you can see there's the cover they are giving. That's again a great thing. I mean, this comes in helmets like empty. So I have three helmets basically, one for very short rides, or if I'm going to have I'm going to buy some milk or something within 8 kilometers. I do have a half face helmet, which I would not recommend to anyone, because you never know what kind of accident you're going to have. So this is actually the opening side. I exactly don't know which one. Okay, so let us unbox it. Sorry, my health is not that good, so my tone might not be proper. Wow. So this is the helmet, that's the bag they're providing. Still they're providing with this kind of thing, which is also good. A foam cover is also required. So this is the helmet, and wow, this is how it is. You can see. So it has IGNYTE written here, evolve or dissolve, great stuff. IGNYTE is written. So as I was saying, it has double D ring. Oh wow, there is also a lock to close this. If you want to lock it, it can't open. That's a great thing also. So guys, this one is the visor for direct sun rays if you are facing. So apart from that, you have a spoiler. This is the back side of the helmet. This is the back side, and you can see all the brandings here. It's ECE DOT, I'm sorry, ISI DOT, and the weight is 1550, and it feels very lightweight. What I love the most is the graphics actually. It's not that kind of cartoonish and all, which I hate. And you have to remove the stickers. Right now I have not removed, because basically, and this comes with a, okay, so these are the things they are giving. So there is one, let us see what exactly it is. So this one is your normal manual, which you won't need to use at all at any point of time, and they're giving another kind of DOT kind of thing, and here you have keyrings, some keyrings as well. I will show you that. I'll come to the helmet later. So there is a keyring, and there are some 3M stickers of IGNYTE. If you want, you can put the stickers in your bikes or anywhere, that depends on you. So the cushioning is very good. They are very given very, and you can see this one is double D ring, which is an added safety. I mean, what I heard is that in 3,700 rupees, getting a double D ring, getting dual visor, getting a pin lock visor. It has a pin lock visor. I can show you. Let me open this. And so here it is. This one is pin lock. I don't know it's visible or not. Yeah, it's here somewhere. Pin lock is written. So this one is the pin lock visor. You have to remove this yellow part. and use it. Steelbird is written here somewhere. This one here, it is Steelbird. So overall the helmet is very good, I would say. I mean, I have not used it yet, but once I use, I'll give a very short review. I think these things are non-removable, and the chin mount I will check. I am not sure this one is having or it's not. I don't know, because basically it's very hard actually. So there is this one. This one is the chin mount. Yeah. So this one is a bit tight now since it's a new one. I just opened it up. So there are two vents. One is on the chin and another on the head, top of the head. So you have got two chins. Overall, it's a very good helmet, I would say, and I would even recommend people, those who are going for, because I went to the market, I checked with all the companies, those who are providing helmets, everything is around 5k for even without pin lock, without double D-ring, without dual visor, and the graphics was crap. For me it was total crap because I don't ride with a Joker kind of helmet and all those. I know many youngsters would prefer it, but if you are into a bit of a professional field, you would hate it. You won't like to bring some sort of Joker kind of thing. You'd love this kind of graphics. I think it has other colors and all, so one can prefer that. There is also a white color, and this one is a fluorescent one. There is also a white one also, so you can prefer that. And I think it would be having your, it does have, I had contacted the people, I mean right now I have not opened. It has for mic, if you want to connect the mics, it has those holes where you can put your earpieces and connect. You just have to remove this, since this is a new one and this is a review unit, so I've not made much anything into this, and I will tell you how the quality is, how it fits and all. I will check it and let you know. So thanks for tuning into my video, and kindly like this video if you actually liked it. Subscribe if you have not, and let's see you in next video. Thank you. Have a good day.